Hello and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can convert a PowerPoint presentation to Word document. This can be done by using the Create Handouts feature in PowerPoint. Click File tab, click Export, click Create Handouts. Again click Create Handouts. Select a page layout for your Word document. If you don't want the Word document to get automatically updated whenever the PowerPoint presentation is updated, select the paste option. If you want the Word document to get automatically updated whenever the PowerPoint presentation is updated, select the paste link option. Click OK. That's all. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. If you found my tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified about my new uploads.